Hello. In this topic, we're going to see how to use BODS to bring data into SAP HANA from a data source like SAP ERP. We've already demonstrated how to access here, so I'm going to go and open the Data Services Designer. And we have to authenticate. Okay. I'm going to use this repository called BODS_OCT. And there is an additional authentication for the repository. There can be different repositories on an SAP Data Services Application Designer. Alright, so this is the entry point, and there are three distinct areas. One is the project area, one is the local object area, and then one is the working area. Currently you see a quick launch and with the most used functionalities. So step number one, let's go ahead and create a data source to talk to the source system. So you can use this feature here to create that. I'm going to name it live_SAP, and the data store type is an SAP application, so let's go there. And the name of the database server, in other words the name of the application server, you can find it in the SAP logon. You can right click on the system and you can say properties, and this is your application address. So simply copy paste it here, and you need to give your username, and you need to go to advanced and make sure you have the right system number. Our system is 07. Okay, so you can say apply, and you can say if your connection is working. Looks like we have an issue. Looks like the RFC logon failed and the password is incorrect, so let's correct it. Let's try again. Apply. So this time we don't have any prompt. That means this is a successful connection. Let's say OK. And now let's create a data source to talk to the target. So we're going to create a data source to talk to HANA. And we're going to name this live_HANA. And this is a database, so I'm going to leave it at database. And the database type is SAP HANA. The version is 1.x. The database you can either directly give the database server name, or you could use a DSN, data source, which is previously created. I'm directly going to give the server name, so it is okay, and the password and the username needs to be provided. And I'm going to click apply to check. So everything worked okay. Alright, let's go ahead and create this data store. So now we have two data stores connected, one connecting to the source system and one connecting to the target system. What we're going to do now is we're going to import the table called CE1 from the source system to the target system. So we have to import the metadata into the data source. So let's do that. We'll go to the live_SAP. There are different options. We are going to import a table. So let's right click on the table. Currently, if you see, the table folder will be empty. So you want to right click on it and you want to say import by name. We are going